Welcome back to our YouTube channel, keeping you informed. Your ultimate destination for staying updated on the latest news, trends, and insightful discussions. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the world of smoothies, and we have a treat for you. We're going to share some incredible smoothie recipes that will give you the energy and vitality you need to conquer the day. So, grab your blender and get ready to blend your way to a healthier you. Smoothie 1. Green Power Boost Smoothie. Our first recipe is the Green Power Boost Smoothie. Packed with nutrient-rich greens, this smoothie is the ultimate energy booster. Start by adding a handful of fresh spinach and kale. These leafy greens are loaded with vitamins and minerals that promote overall well-being. Next, add some refreshing cucumber slices and a green apple for a touch of sweetness. For a creamy texture, toss in half an avocado. Lastly, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will give your smoothie a zesty kick. Blend all the ingredients until smooth, and voila! Your Green Power Boost smoothie is ready to revitalize your body and mind. Smoothie 2. Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Now, let's transport ourselves to a tropical paradise with our second recipe, the Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Get ready for a burst of exotic flavors. Begin by adding chunks of sweet pineapple and juicy mango. These tropical fruits are rich in antioxidants and will give you an instant mood boost. To enhance the creamy texture, pour in some luscious coconut milk. Add a ripe banana for natural sweetness and a potassium boost. Finally, sprinkle some chia seeds, which are full of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Blend all the ingredients until smooth, and there you have it. A taste of paradise in a glass. Sip on this tropical paradise smoothie and let its vibrant flavors transport you to a sunny beach. Smoothie 3. Berry Blast Smoothie. For our final recipe, we have the Berry Blast Smoothie, a delicious mix of antioxidant-rich berries that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Start by adding a handful of ripe strawberries, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Then, toss in some vibrant blueberries and raspberries for an extra antioxidant punch. To make it creamy and protein-packed, add a dollop of Greek yogurt. For a smooth consistency, pour in some almond milk. Lastly, drizzle a touch of honey for natural sweetness. Blend all the ingredients until smooth, and there you have it, the Berry Blast Smoothie. Indulge in the goodness of these juicy berries, and let their vibrant colors brighten your day. Outro. And that wraps up our energizing smoothie recipes. Whether you need a morning pick-me-up or a post-workout recharge, these recipes will fuel your body with essential nutrients. We hope you give them a try. If you like our video today, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get updated of our latest videos.